Discover the Elara Smart Lock, an ideal fusion of security and sophistication for your home and office. This cutting edge device offers a variety of unlocking methods, including a top notch fingerprint recognition system capable of storing up to 50 fingerprints and featuring a complete 360-degree scanner for detection from any angle. The lock also grants access via NFC enabled RFID cards, with 2 cards included. An additional layer of security is provided by a customizable 6-digit passcode. For added convenience, the lock supports a one-time password OTP access code through a smartphone. Mechanical keys are available as well for traditional unlocking. The interior lock body is constructed from brass and stainless steel, offering robust protection and elevating the security of your home. Moreover, the lock is equipped with an internal deadbolt to further secure against external entry. It operates on 4 AA batteries, which can power the lock for up to 4 months.